double soul child, got a fist balled. I'm a respawn of ancestors, and I'm blessed, huh? They are not him, tell him fess up. I get check stub, hella carefree, nothing scares me, hella reckless. Yeah, I got next up, right? No, we not the same, cause see when I look in your iris, you likely to talk but not ready to ride. You do better keeping it quiet. My pen is ignited, my soul is enlightened. I like who I am, but I'm biased. They palette is right, and my drip is a fountain. I'm not like these regular guys. All of that talk is...
So what's up, guys? Mike from Slow Speed here. You know what I think of when I think of 2020? Kind of sort of brand new, low miles. I think of a car that's pretty much safe to buy and that doesn't break on you. But my mind has changed because I'm having a problem with my BMW. All I can do is hope. And it fires up. Fires right up. When I was at work on a sidewalk, I went to go ahead and move my car, and I went to start it up, and it did not start. It was a stop sign displayed on the screen and on the dashboard, and it was just like a starter system fault. The car wouldn't start, it wouldn't even turn over. It was more like a dead battery, click, click, click. Initially, what I thought was, hopefully the motor's not blown. Possibly be actually the starter and possibly the battery as well. Pulled out the blown motor because, well, the car was perfectly fine up until the time I turned it off. If it would have turned off and not have done that while I was driving, I would suspect it'd be a blown motor. Well, more so like seized up. One of the ways that you can tell if your engine, BMW, is seized up, and I'll kind of show you. You'd most likely take off the top piece right here. I'll leave this here because I don't think you can access anything down there. Let me turn the light on. A 7/8 bolt where you would put the socket on there, breaker bar, and literally try to turn the motor on your own power. Now it should turn over fairly easy, or should move not extremely easy, but fairly easy. If it doesn't at all, no matter how much power you put on it, you put a jack pole on it and you just go ahead and twist it, your motor's seized. I plugged it into a code reader, and this is what I've got. One being the, it says it's some kind of line disconnection to the starter motor actuator, and also a starter not being activated by BDC. So I go ahead and post the thing right here to show you guys what codes they are. So in my opinion, the only thing that I can do now, honestly, is schedule an appointment. However, I have a feeling I'm going to be backed up because, ironically, as this electric issue starts, this is after a major hurricane, which I was under the impression that my car did not get harmed. I didn't even notice any water around my car when I woke up. I did see like little dirt and dust, and I'll kind of show you guys, but I don't think it's nothing serious. This is all I noticed. This is the most, doesn't look like it's too serious, but this is it. You could tell like a little, you know. Have no other issues. The car runs perfectly fine otherwise. No other electrical issues at all. It's just starting it up, and it's not all the time, it's just sometimes. So if you guys know what that is, put it down in the comment section, and when I get the update, we'll put it down, make another video or something like that. But this one's gonna be short and sweet. I figured I'd just share that with you. Literally, as I was recording, I seen this thing parked in the cut. Well, she's beautiful. Had to show you that. Had to show you guys that car. That thing is nice. That being said, out to Mexico tonight. Gonna go to this little meet. I don't know. Got a long drive ahead of me. Got pulled out by my boy John. We're gonna check it out and see how it is. You know, obviously exciting.
They see the glow up, oh now they know us. See it's funny how my pockets out of shape, but I fit for the flex. Clear the phone call, hit my chick with Smell the marijuana when I speed through. Hit her with the tip, that's a preview. Hold up, wait up, get your weight up. Shit, get your money, not your hate up. Boy, drop a play up. I flip my wrist, it a layup. She wanna lay up, I gotta get it, I'ma stay up. I'm all the way up, I got my pay up. I ain't playing with you, I make coach now. Commentating, do the most now. I be somewhere booted with my toes down. Make little baby tooted with her nose down. I prefer my reefer with Henny and Coke. Please don't be stingy, got plenty to smoke. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live. Seem like they doing the most for the clout. Did what I said so they know what I'm about. Show up and act up and back to the crib. I do not stun, I just rap what I live.
Look at me. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. OMG, I don't get pressed. Look at me. I've been on set since 17. I've been on set, on settling. I'm going numb, amphetamine. I don't do drugs, I'm not a fiend. Push to the edge, no boundary. About 2 or 3 in these leather jeans. Look at me, flex. Tatted my flesh. Never end, dead. Now I'm up, next. Here for those checks. Plenty flows. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm next. Look at me, I'm on. end zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown, end zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. 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 Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Can't stop, keep going. Tonight I come alive. You been a stud, you been a vibe. You been in hiding, you been inside. I'm like a farmer, I'm outside. Don't change locations, I'm on the grind. I do my day.
So back, I made a couple clips for you guys so you guys could check out what exactly went on in that meet. It was crazy, bonkers. I loved it. I even felt the itch to slide the car just a little bit. If you guys know me, you know I don't do that type of stuff at all at car meets. I just don't, number one, want to be one of those guys, and number two, it's just not my style. You know, I like to do my things a little bit more private, but it just had great it was just good, great vibes out there. A lot different from the meets that I'm used to, where it's like one of those who got the highest car note or who makes the loudest burbles. There was everything from like high-end, you know, BMWs, Mercedes, all the way down to a cammed out Wrangler, like old Wrangler with a cam in it. Super dope, like Mustangs with Bondo on it, stuff like that. Mopar cars spinning it, all of that is really fun. I loved it. Those seem like the kind of guys that just go outside, run what you brung, don't really matter about anything else or what people think about you as long as you're having fun. And I guess that's what kind of hit me, you know. It kind of, I was like, you know, let me just send it. So did a little bit, not too much, you know, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Mike from Slow Speed. Peace out.